So, I have this old iPhone 4S here, and I was going to use it for a week to see if it's still usable in the year 2021. However, when I tried to download apps from the App Store, I noticed that almost every app gave me this error about my iPhone not being compatible anymore. This is because apps get updated all the time, and as time passes they require newer iOS versions on iPhones in order to use all the new features. And since the iPhone 4S is stuck in an older iOS version, which in my case is iOS 7, that makes it nearly impossible to run any modern application. So the best way to solve this issue is to download the last compatible version of an unsupported app for your old iOS device. There are two ways you can do this. The first and also the easiest way is to use a modern iOS device to purchase the older version of the app. However, if you do not have a modern iOS device, I will also show you how to do this using your computer. I will be demonstrating this on the iPhone 4S. However, this should work fine for any old iOS device as long as it's running iOS 7 or newer. If you're running anything older than iOS 7, then you'll need a jailbreak in order to fix it. But the main point of this video was fixing it without jailbreaking, so I won't be showing you that in this video. Alright, so turn on your modern iOS device. It doesn't need to be very new, just make sure it's compatible with the app you want to download on your older iOS device. I will be using this iPhone 6s running iOS 13. Okay, so make sure you sign in with the same Apple ID on both devices like so. Next, just open the App Store on your modern iOS device and download the app you want to install the old one. After that, just open the App Store on your old iOS device and go to the Purchase tab. All you have to do now is hit the cloud icon, and then click on the download button in the prompt message. Also, the cloud icon must be clicked from the purchase list, so do not click the app, then click the cloud icon, or this may not work. Okay, so if you don't have a modern iOS device, I will also show you how to do this using your computer. So the first step is to download iTunes 12.6.5 from the link in the description, which is the last version of iTunes with the ability to sync down apps. If you already have a newer version of iTunes installed, you'll need to follow a tutorial on how to downgrade iTunes. Anyway, open the iTunes setup you've just downloaded and click Next. Make sure to uncheck Automatically Update iTunes and Other Apple Software. I'm also going to uncheck Use iTunes as a default player for audio files, but you can leave this checked if you want. Now just click on Install and click Yes on all the user account control pop-ups. This may take a little while. After it's done installing, open iTunes and sign in with the same Apple ID you're signed in with on your old iOS device. Now click on the Store tab and search the app you want to install on your old iOS device and download it onto your computer. When it's done downloading, open the App Store on your old iOS device and go to the Purchase tab. All you have to do now is hit the cloud icon, and then click on the download button in the prompt message. Also, the cloud icon must be clicked from the purchase list, so do not click the app, then click the cloud icon, or this may not work. There you go. This is how you can install the last compatible version of an unsupported app for your old iOS device. Now in this case, the app that I downloaded works just fine. However, this might not be the case in the future when the app becomes so old and obsolete and just stops working entirely. In fact, that's already the case with some apps. And I guess you should also mention that apps that recently came out will obviously not work because there are no older versions of those apps. Anyway, thanks for watching.